So today I thought I would share a super easy trick on how you can turn one strand of yarn into super bulky yarn. So what you're going to do is you're going to double it like so. And let's I'm going to stretch it out, get it a little bit longer here. I don't know, maybe do like 12 inches. And then let go of that, fold it again. You see how we've got 3 strands now? Now you're going to go back down to the end over here, and you're going to make a slip knot. Oops. Slip knot. And I'm using a crochet hook for now because I figured it would be easier to do for purposes of showing you how to do this. But you can use this technique for knitting or anything else. So then you're going to go ahead and you're going to work your yarn until you get to the end of where this loop is right here. You see that? You've got a nice thicker yarn to work with. And when you get to this little loop, you're going to take your yarn and pull it through the loop. And voila, you have continued the 3 strands. Now you wouldn't really want to use this for anything that has a strict gauge swatch, but, whoops, didn't go through all of them. But look at that, you can't even see where the join is. But it would be perfect for just making like a chunky scarf or chunky cowl or whatever else you want to make. Let's go ahead and pull that yarn through again. I don't know if you can hear my dog, he's drinking water right now. But I'm going to do a little bit more here. Show you guys. Look at that. A nice bulky chain. Oops. And once again, we get to that loop. Pull our yarn through. And you just keep on and keep on continuing in that manner. And there you have it. Let me know if you guys are going to use this technique to make your yarn bulkier. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials in the near future. So let me know in the comments if there's any other techniques or any knitting stitches that you'd like to learn, because I would be more than happy to share them with you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I am going to just keep making my little chain here. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy knitting. I will see you guys again in the next video.